Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you a delicious filter coffee-based cocktail recipe. This drink is perfect for the summertime as it is refreshing and spicy. It is inspired by the coffee that we're currently brewing as a filter, which is a red bourbon from Rwanda, with a very spicy character and a great acidity. The ingredients that we're going to use are going to be added into a shaker with ice and then shaked for at least 5 seconds. The ingredients are 35 ml of gin, 5 ml of fresh lime juice, 10 ml of simple cane sugar syrup, and 70 ml of filter coffee. Shake and serve into a glass. And then top with 10 ml of ginger beer. You can also finish the drink with a spicy touch by adding grated nutmeg on top. Enjoy the filter coffee-based cocktail.